All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Boy, D back again. We'll do another video. There's another progress update. What it is? Oh, what is this going on with the? What is going on with the trade opportunity I was looking for on GBP USD? Um, I'm gonna just be getting right into it, man. So first and foremost, I need to pull up the actual trade plan because your boy gotta start keeping this in mind, right? On days like today, and I'll get into that. Right, just putting it out front. Gotta keep reminding myself to stick to the script, making it obvious, right? Each one of these videos I watch, one of the first things I should be seeing is the trade plan, the risk management, especially as a way to remind myself as to what it is I'm doing, what does I need to stick to, right? So getting into it right away, I had this opportunity outlined in the last video for GU. As you can see, it brought price right up to my stop loss, took it way out. Now they seem to be bringing price in the direction that it should be going. Fun, right? That's okay though. It's okay. Days like today though, is what makes trading interesting. I'll bring up the account real quick. And as you can see, your boy been taking L's after L's after L's after L's after L's, right? Going down that little spiral of taking L's, that emotional roller coaster, right? Comes with trading, it's part of it. Not gonna beat myself up too much on it. Just trying to reflect on how I can improve on that aspect and keep moving forward, right? Now, overall, I did lose more than 2% for today. I think it was like 2.7 actually, um, which it's over the 2%. That's all it got to be for us to be violating the rules. So, again, I'm going to beat myself up too much on it. Just got to keep in mind that the rule is there to protect me. I created it. Got to stick to it. All right. So, where we needed, 1,250 to pass, where we needed 1,250 to pass, definitely needing around like 800 now to pass, which, hey man, it can be done. Can be done, but I'm not going to pay attention too much to the numbers as much as it is to just stick to the script, find the play, risk how much I'm comfortable with, and just keep it pushing. Right. So all these out of the way, I'll see how I can improve on those. I tried splitting the risk up, taking certain plays, seeing what I could do. But again, that's just me deviating from the plan, man. So moving forward is what we can do better. Just find established plays. Again, we're swing trading. There shouldn't be this many intraday decisions being made. It's just one decision. That's it. So I'm definitely trying to find ways to improve on that. Right. So getting right into it. This display, almost scrap display for now. Price action over here really isn't the cleanest. I don't really like it anyways. Um, of course, that's hindsight. But there's no clear impulse. There's nothing really going on. Um, just clear that up. Right. So that being said, um, there's more opportunities in the market that I personally am a fan of. So there's this UJ play actually that I am currently, well, I am in currently. I'm in that play, and there's the CAD CHF play right here too, which both these are valid opportunities in the market. I'll go over the UJ one first because this one was a play that was done on the prior video, kind of dictating that we were trying to get to this high. And we've been slowly building up towards it. All right. So monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily is bullish. Um, daily is bullish. That being said, the inefficient daily candle in this case, it's this one right here. Kind of clear that up. Well, it's this one highlighted, right? And then shifting to the 4 hour, what you can see is the missing price on the 4 hour or the inefficient 4 hour candle was this one. I'll put that line on it. This one right here, right? With just a little bit of missing price in between. But again, in the whole demand area, that's the only missing price existing. As such, price has pulled into it. And I mean, it's baseline just form and structure. Higher high, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, right? We're looking for a higher low, hence why we're buying to then deliver above the highs, right? Just regular market structure. That's really all we're looking for. So Missing price filled in, entry taken, I think somewhere like right here, and stop loss of below the low. And what I'm getting to understand is if I'm approaching it from the daily, finding an inefficient candle, stop losses can be placed at the daily low and then just refine the entry to a 4 hour zone without moving the stop loss. That way, the position remains safe. We don't end up putting the stop loss within the range as much as it can give us more risk to reward. The idea is to keep the play safe, take the entry more refined if possible. I think on the hourly, exactly is like this block right here. The missing price clearly filled it in, just starts moving away from it, right? So just doing those small things, keeping the stops underneath the daily low should keep the position safe. The high is the target. I'm looking forward to run the high, which will be good. But just continue in the general direction. Again, this plays a play I'm looking towards running to this high up here. So I'll drag it up just to show what that looks like. We'll manage the play accordingly. The prior play I had down here actually would have kept running too. But again, move from phase one to phase two in the account. So that definitely I had to close the trade to get the phase two account. So this probably is a nice way to get re-entered in the same move because we know it does want to deliver to the top side. It's just to find a proper entry like this one and have it keep delivering. Um, Not too complicated. There is the CAD CHF play over here as well. Kind of the same idea, right? I even have it annotated here. So monthly bullish, I can see this targeting these highs, filling in missing price on this side, right? So monthly is bullish, we're within a bullish candle. Weekly, we're within a bullish weekly candle. Daily, as you can see, the last so baseline structure is higher high, higher low, and then a higher high, with the last sell into buy or demand candle being this one highlighted, right? So use this candle to look for entries from, put stop losses underneath the low, keep it safe, go to the 4 hour and find the inefficient 4 hour candle that entries can be taken off of. If you're seeing how price delivered, the sell into the buy, the swept liquidity, filling in whatever missing price was over here, sweeping liquidity, pushing up, and then the final liquidation of lows coming from this one right here. So ideally, the play really was from low to high, right? As such, the inefficient candle in this case would be this one right here. Now, the fact that the candle opened here and then went down is really what you can mark out and use. That's the zone being used. I think if I go through the time frames, we can get a better idea of what it actually did. There we go. So on the 2 hour or on the hourly, we can see the actual orders down here that needed to be filled in that weren't. So entries taken right here, stops underneath the low, keeping it safe, and targeting the high. So that's about it for as far as opportunities go. Kind of just looking through the market. Again, let's just pull this up. This is what today looked like. It's fine. We'll see what we can do, improve on that throughout the day. But again, man, that's about it for today, man. Just trying to improve on what it is we're doing daily, see what we can do better. That's about it, man. I'll make this video short. Ain't really much else to go into. Um, just keep tracking the opportunities and see how they play out, man. So I appreciate y'all time. Appreciate y'all allowing me to share information. Just trying to improve daily. And that's about it for this video. Y'all have a good night. It's what? It's 8 o'clock. Y'all have a good night, man. I appreciate y'all.